everyone and welcome back. For those of you that have missed me because I haven't been publishing a video tutorial for the last week, I hope that you are ready for our new recipe. Today is going to be a Dalgona series. Now, unlike most of the Dalgona series that you have seen probably on YouTube, we are going to make the original coffee topping. So we're not going to add any extra ingredient for our Dalgona other than coffee, sugar, and water. But for this one, here's my Dalgona mix. What I did is to make it my own version. Not too strong, not too sweet. So for this, what I did was 1 full tablespoon of instant coffee, 1 full tablespoon of sugar, white sugar this time, and also 2 ounces or 60 ml of cold water, not hot water. Because what I would like to achieve is something that is a little bit runny, because I'd like this to be my topping for 3 favorite drinks. First drink would be Dalgona Dark Chocolate, second drink will be Dalgona Matcha, and the third drink will be Dalgona Bubble Tea. Everything is topped with Dalgona coffee, making our drinks coffee flavored. So coffee flavored matcha, coffee flavored milk tea. It is so delicious. I've tried coffee with milk tea. It's amazing. I didn't realize it would be that good. And finally, Dalgona chocolate. So Dalgona chocolate would probably end up tasting like mocha. So let's get started. And also, this time I'm going to make them Brulee Dalgona. So we're going to top it up with Dalgona coffee, and then we're going to put brown sugar on top and torch it so that we have a delicious creme brulee Dalgona drinks. Now I have made all the drinks here. First, it's a milk tea. Very simple. You can use your favorite black tea. I use simply 2 Lipton tea bags, soaked it in 180 ml of hot water and for 10 minutes, and added 2 tablespoons of creamer and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I don't want it to be so sweet because we are going to add brown sugar and also some brown sugar grass jelly at the bottom of this drink. Next, we have my dark chocolate blend. This one I use 4 ounces of hot water, 1 scoop of our own blend of dark chocolate, and 2 ounces or 60 ml of our milk syrup. And finally, for our matcha drink, what I did here is very simple. 2 teaspoons of pure organic matcha, our own blend of matcha, and dissolve it in 2 ounces or 60 ml of cold water or room temperature water. And I added a little bit of sweetener, half an ounce or 15 ml of our own homemade golden sugar syrup. I'm going to add the milk later because I'd like to make it like 2 layers when we assemble our drinks. And what else do we need for our drinks? I am going to use our brown sugar grass jelly. This is just for one of the drinks because I'm going to make 1 bubble tea. And we're going to use some muscovado sugar here. This is for our topping. And we're going to need our torch. And of course, we need our brulee ring. Now this is very useful because when you do the torching or when you use the torch, you can place it on top of the lid to avoid the rim being burned when you use the torch to caramelize your brown sugar on top. So there you go. I think we have it all. And of course, once again, our Dalgona coffee topping. Finally, we are going to use our brown sugar sauce or syrup. If you haven't seen how this is done, check out the video tutorial on how to make brown sugar syrup. So we are going to use this to drizzle along the sides of our drinks. First up, dark chocolate. Let's put ice into the cup. There we go. I'm going to drizzle some brown sugar syrup along the sides. Just to make it look delicious. Well, it is delicious. Another cup. Once again, I'm going to put ice. You have to make sure your brown sugar syrup is thick enough to make this really look lovely when you drizzle it along the sides. Finally, for our third drink, which I am going to use the grass jelly as my sinker. So I'll first put the grass jelly there. This is brown sugar grass jelly. And then put our ice. And once again, I'm going to drizzle my brown sugar along the sides of the cup. Now we have our three lovely drinks here. It's time to assemble them. And we start with the milk tea with our sinkers. Absolutely gorgeous drinks. Dalgona series by Chao. Let's start with our Dalgona matcha. So this is matcha with milk and brown sugar boiling, plus Dalgona coffee topping and brown sugar creme brulee on top. That's a little bit long. You can name it anything you like, but for me, this is just a delicious drink. So coffee with matcha. Let's give it a try. You see how creamy the Dalgona coffee mixture is? It just stays right on top. This just adds creaminess to the drink. Ooh, I hope I get to taste the coffee. It doesn't seem to go down. That means it's the perfect topping. Okay. That is delicious. Wow. The coffee is not very strong, but it just gives you that hint of coffee with the matcha. It really is the perfect combination. Very simple recipe, and yes, it gives you a delicious, different type of drink. Instant coffee with matcha. Why not? Delicious. And I just had that brown sugar that's stored, also delicious because I use muscovado. Really yummy. Now, this is the dark chocolate Dalgona coffee, brown sugar, creme brulee. I'm going to have to give this a name. I'm not so sure yet what name I'm going to give this, but it could be Dalgona mocha. Wow. That is so creamy. Let's see whether it tastes like mocha. I got a taste of that brown sugar again. This is delicious. Instant coffee with dark chocolate. Delicious. What can I say? Wow. You're going to get sick of me saying it's delicious, but it is really delicious. And it's not very sweet. I think the brown sugar added to the richness of this drink, and also it gives you that hint of coffee. Absolutely amazing. This is a favorite of mine. Very delicious. Finally, our Dalgona coffee milk tea with grass jelly, brown sugar grass jelly. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Beautiful color. Beautiful. It looks very, very tempting and very, very appetizing. Let's see how it tastes. I love the grass jelly. Melty with coffee. Who would think it's possible? Who would think it's delicious? I think it's very delicious. Instant coffee with milk tea. Give it a try. It is delicious. There you go. I hope that for those that have missed me, I hope that I have come back with a bang. Dalgona series by Chao using Dalgona coffee topping and also 3 different types of drinks. So if you're looking to add some new items on your menu, these are terrific. You can give this a try. Let me know how it goes. You can do it at home or add it in your milk tea or coffee shop. I'll see you again in my next video tutorial. Next time, I'm going to show you a milk series. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching and ciao for now.